ಇದೀಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಜೆ ಇದ್ದಾ
Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 17th August, Monday, and we have got ready early in the morning because today is a festival. Yay! Today is, hope you must have guessed it, it is Nagra Panchami today. And today me, mom and my daughter, we are heading to Mudbelle, our Moola Sthana, where today there will be a puja at the Nagabana. You guys come along, and we bought prasada for that as well, to put all that coconut, flowers. Yeah. Everything is ready, and we are, and my daughter is also ready. See? She is also ready.
I got this flower.
Yeah, and she is also ready. We'll be going in our car today, Swift. Driver will be coming, so we all are waiting for the driver to come. And my mom has gone to get ready. She'll be down in a minute. Then we will go.
Mama.
Come guys, I'll show you my ancestor place, Mudbelle. And there's our Moola Sthana also. There's Daiva. There's our ancestor house. Yeah. It is near Kunjargiri. Palemar, that is our ancestor place, huh? No, we'll be back, right?
ಇದೀಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಜೆ ಇದ್ದಾ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಜೆನಾ
Seat belt.
ಸೀಟ್ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್
ಇತ್ತೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಬಿಜ್ನೆ ಒಂದೆಟ್ಟು ರೂಮ್ ಉಡು ಮಗಳು ಮನೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಎನ್ನ ಭಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಿದೆ ಅದು ಕಿರಣ ಪಣಿಪಿನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬುಡದಿ ಜೋಕಲು ಆಯ್ತು ಅದು ರಡ್ಡು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದು ಹೊಸದು ನನ್ನ ಲೋಕಲ್ ರಸ್ತೆ ಆದಾಗ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲ
ಇತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪೂರ ದಾಂಡ್ತದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಟ್ಪಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಪಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅವು ಕುಂಜಾಗಿರಿ ರಸ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ ಬರಲಿ ಒಂದು Anamutta road, it's very bad. Almost Mudbelle reach ಆವೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೀನರಿ ಒಂದೇಪಲ ಪೊರ್ಲು ರೈನಿ ಸೀಸನ್
ಇಂಡಿಯಪ್ಪನೆ ತುದೇಕು ಮಿಯಾನೆ ಬರೋಂದಿತ್ತ ಅಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಊರೊಂದು ಬರೋಂದಿತ್ತ ಬೊಂಬಾಯಿ
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳ್ಳೆಗೆ
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಂದ ಪೂರ ಪೋತುಂಡು ಬಿತ್ತು ಒಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ
Can see beautiful green. What is Popini? How burchi? Wale de. Burrega. Wale. Nana it burrat avulu jard. Come. Avulu jarundu bibi avulu. Hey guys, you can see a mood belle. This is our ancestor property. Ancestor yanna. Ajja, ajji, pijje makalla pura. Na mummy na side da. ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೈವ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಪೋಪೈತೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿ ಬಲಿ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಬಲಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲ 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 ಗೋ जो जन उधर के अंदर पोले रे yeah we reached. Hey, we reached my Belle. That is a house, upward one. And this is a Kanna, that's a neighbor's house. Kaunamma Daivada Illu. Daivada Mane. Wait, stand there only. Hey, Magile. Join your hands. Bata. Where? From the puja place. So now we are playing badminton with my munchkin. Munchkin. Yeah, we came along back, we slept, took a rest, and now just playing with my daughter. You can see her there. And tomorrow she's got school as well. Today they got holiday. They had announced that district like for Mangalore, Udupi, it is a government holiday for Nag Panchami. Lucky people. When we were in school, we never had a holiday. You are lucky, man. It's Nagara Panchami nikal rajem. We never had holiday, you know. I used to go to school and my mama used to go to the puja. We are off for a walk. You can see over there monkey coming. Monkey is coming flying. Ababa. You can see the fountain and that is the entrance of a villa. Don't go there, but snakes open. Why, what happened?
ಗಂದಿ ಒಂದು
ಏರ್ನ ಗಂದಿ ಗಂದಿ ಅದು ಗಂಧ
ಗಂಡ ಒಂದು ಇಂದಿರಾಜಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲ ಇಂಕದೀತಾರ ಇಷ್ಟೇಂದು
Maybe B, that doesn't matter.
ಮುಟ್ಟು ಮೀ ಪಾವು ಜರ
There. Why should I meet powder?
ಬೈ ಬೈ
So here we come to the sand park. Your kids are playing.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಮ್ಮ
Go do swing. Hmm? come to the swingy.
Thank you guys. Watch our vlogs, give us company, and love us. Thank you and all. So please like, share, subscribe, and all of you kids, parents, brothers, sisters, thank you for commenting down below. Thank you for cheering us.
Keep supporting us so we will come up with more exciting vlogs
We
ahead.
will give you funny, nice videos of making my mother's makeup, my makeup, which I do my makeup, my mother will do to me, okay? We are going to start the vlog for my school.
Okay. So good night. See you
night, guys.
tomorrow.
And
Bye.
thank you to supporting us.
Okay. Bye bye. Good night. See you next
Share.
vlog. Cut, cut.